Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're looking at some essential components for anyone operating a DJI T30 agricultural drone, the generator, butler board, and control panel motherboard repair parts. These are specifically designed to replace damaged original units, ensuring your valuable drone can get back to work quickly and reliably. When you're relying on a piece of equipment like the DJI T30 for professional agricultural tasks, downtime isn't just inconvenient, it's costly. Having access to high-quality, original replacement parts is absolutely crucial. What we have here are described as original and brand new accessories, which is exactly what you want when dealing with complex and critical drone systems. Using genuine parts helps maintain the integrity and performance of the drone as it was intended by the manufacturer. The description highlights several key aspects that are important for anyone needing to perform repairs. First, they're noted as being easy to install. For drone operators or technicians, this means less time spent on complicated procedures and more time getting the drone operational. Ease of installation is a significant factor in minimizing repair time and labor costs. Furthermore, the parts are said to feature fine craftsmanship. This speaks to the quality of manufacturing and attention to detail, which is vital for components within a sophisticated piece of machinery like a drone. Good craftsmanship ensures proper fit, reliable connections, and overall system stability. Coupled with this is the emphasis on high quality, specifically for professional use. Agricultural drones operate in demanding environments, often exposed to dust, moisture, and vibrations. High-quality components are necessary to withstand these conditions and perform reliably under pressure. Durability, wear resistance, and a long lifetime are also mentioned as key benefits. These attributes are paramount for parts that are integral to the drone's operation. Durable parts mean fewer failures over time, reducing the frequency and cost of future repairs. Wear resistance is important for components that might experience physical stress or environmental exposure. A long lifetime ensures that once replaced, these parts will continue to function correctly for an extended period, providing peace of mind for the operator. The fact that this package includes 2 pieces is also a practical consideration. Having a spare on hand can be invaluable, allowing for immediate replacement if another component fails or if you're maintaining multiple T30 drones. It reduces the waiting time for parts delivery and helps prevent extended periods of downtime. In summary, these generator, butler board, and control panel motherboard repair parts for the DJI T30 appear to be a solid solution for operators facing component failures. Being original, brand new, and designed with easy installation, fine craftsmanship, high quality for professional use, durability, wear resistance, and a long lifetime in mind, they offer a promising way to restore your T30 to full working order efficiently and reliably. For professionals who depend on their equipment daily, having access to such quality replacement parts is essential for maintaining productivity and protecting their investment.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.